It is all about alligator pepper. That is what I will teach you in today's video. How you can use this alligator pepper to bless your day and to get wonderful results. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say welcome to this channel. This channel is all about success and well-being. If you want to achieve your success, if you want to always live a healthy life, God's ways, you are on the right channel for it. Consider to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I publish a video like this. Now, how are you going to use this alligator pepper to bless your day? Do not doubt this video. It is very important and very effective. But all you need is just one seed of this alligator pepper to bless your day. Now, assuming that you are into business, you always like to make sales, you want to be making sales on daily basis, you need alligator pepper to achieve it. Assuming you want to travel abroad and you need your visa to come out as quick as possible, you need alligator pepper. Let me not just go far. Whatever you want, the power is in this alligator pepper, and with your faith, you will achieve that thing you want. Now, how are you going to use this to achieve whatever you want? That is to bless your day. You need only but one seed. As you can see, I have opened this one. I have used many seed for myself. Now, assuming that this one is not opened, you need to respect this before you use it. You need to bless it the way it will work for you. How do you achieve this? The first thing to do is to take it at your back and blow it. That's all. You can't just bring a new one like this and blow it. If you use it to pray, you might not get results. But for you to get accurate results, before you blow this alligator pepper to collect the seed, you must take it to your back and blow it. Then once you do it, bring it out. Now, you collect one seed of it. Just one seed. So, one seed. Once you collect one seed like this, then say whatever you want. If it is business, for you to make good sales, say that today I will make good sales. If it is via visa, say that today henceforth your visa will come out as quick as possible. Whatever you want in life, just use this alligator pepper to always make a prayer for it. And now, after making that prayer with this alligator pepper, the next thing for you to do is to throw it somewhere, or before you throw it, use it to say that as you say it, so shall it be. Just one. You will be doing this every day for complete 1 week. Every day you do it, just go to your business post or your business area. You will see how sales you are going to make. Whatever you want, after doing it, just watch the next level. So that is how to use alligator pepper to bless your day. Anytime you want to go out, maybe you are going out for business, use one and say that today I will make sales. After doing it, throw it, back it up with faith. You will see that your life will change, and whatever you want, and you pray with this alligator pepper, you will see how effective or how positive results you are going to get. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe you get value. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I publish a video like this. If you have questions and comments, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.